Good afternoon. This is Mr. Eric of Recognize Properties. Welcome to our new project coming off. This is a 6-bedroom, fully mansion, covered an area of 125 feet by 90 feet house. A very big mansion by all standards. So this is the preliminary works. Yeah, we just finished taking the levels. You see the pillow level on the land for us to start our profile. So you could see that I'm here with my team making sure we set up the profile. So you see the timbers on grounds with the team and that of my foreman and the engineer himself. So before you start the profile itself, we have to take a measurement of the area where the house is going to be. Yeah, so as we are starting our profile, the steel benders are also on site. Some few materials are also on site. Whilst we are bringing more materials, so you can see the steel benders right over here, making sure they are also tying their starter pillars and that of the mat. Yes, so we are here making sure you set up the profile with our straight edge to get the accurate area of where the house will be stated. So as you can see, we are here still doing the profile works. Yeah, so now we are done with our profile work. So you could see that there's a measurement which we have to mark them on the timbers that we have set for our profile, so that you can get the accurate measurement of the house and that of the chambers, so that we can start our excavation. So here you can see that we are doing a discussion of where we can open up the measurements or less the measurements once even the architect have done the plan, everything. So stay tuned as we bring you the starting point to the end of this profile to the excavation. So yeah, you can see that the land is well leveled, even though we have a little bit slope in it. Yes, but there will be a step in when you are doing the foundation. Yeah, so like I was saying, we are making sure all the marks and the measurements are in order for us to do the correct markings on the board that have been set up for the profile. Then the markings will start before. Yeah, so once we are even doing the marking, we are still stocking materials on site, because the profile has already been taking the whole side of the land, and you can imagine when you finish the profile and bringing materials to site will be a problem. So you can see that whilst we are doing our profile, you're still bringing materials for us to stock more materials. And when we start the foundation, doing the concrete casting, you don't have our problem, because doing the concrete casting, you still need our profile on ground. So you can see that the markings have been done. You didn't use whites or any color to do the mark. So you can see that you use our pickers and everything to do the marking on the line. And whilst we are there guiding the workers to dig the trench. So what we planned was we make sure the first stage of the digging of the trench, you dig 1 feet, because the place is very hard. The land is very hard, very solid. So you did 1 feet in all the lines, so that in case of any correction, you can come back and correct it before you do the main what do you call it, the feet you want. That's the 3 feet. You want the trench to go on 3 feet, and that of where the mat will be the 6 feet from the main strength of the 3 feet. So that's what we are doing. So you can see that the first lines, you are making just 1 feet from there, like I said earlier, in case of any correction or any collapse of any plan or trench, we can it won't really disturb us much because we have dig to the length we are looking for. So this is how you started. So you make sure you mark and you dig 1 feet all over before you come back again to set up the main what do you call it, feet you wanted to get in the trench. So stay tuned as you see the work in progress here. So this is the area view of how the work is going. Yes, so yeah, you could see what I was talking about. So this is the first preliminary works you did. You mark all the trench, you make sure you dig to 1 depth feet for all the trench to get overview of what you are doing. Yes, so you could see that's what you are doing. So later, after you finish our line, so you could see through from the area view that the lines and everything is there. So, and we are also there making sure you got them to do the right thing. Then you come back again to get our depth of the trench. So whilst we're also doing the trench, like I said earlier on, materials are coming, blocks are coming, so that after our digging of the trench and the casting of the concrete and everything, you don't be in a rush for them to bring us materials. Normally these guys, when you request for material, it takes some time to come, so you don't want to be in a rush whilst you need the material. So whilst we are digging our trench, you make sure you stock the rest of the materials. Yes, so this is how the work is going. Yes, once again, a 6-bedroom that come with foyer, mud room, electrical room, laundry room, kitchen, big balcony on ground floor, big living room, TV area on the ground floor, 3-bedroom, all en suite. Then we have 3-bedroom upstairs, having a family area and that of library and a studio room as well. So you can see that the project is very big. This project covers an area of 129 feet by 90 feet. So you can imagine. Yeah, so enjoy the area view as I'm showing you. So you will get to see how we started our main trend when you got our 3 feet for leveling the trend. So I think this took us I think 4.5 days to dig our trench. Then you use another day to support the mat space. So you know all the columns, you can see the steel benders are tiring their starter pillars, that of the mat and the rest of the work they're supposed to do before you do. Yeah, so you can see that we are getting to the stage as we are looking for our the depth of 3 feet. And so you can see that some masons were inside also making sure the level of the trench we are looking for it in order for us to get. So you see that we are getting a lot of load on site because we are digging a lot of sand from this solid hard land here. Yes, so enjoy the rest of the video as I work with you. So this is the first stage. So you can see that the mason and the laborer are using the mat size 2 feet 6. That's the size of the mat, 2 feet 6 by 2 feet 6. Yes, holding a pillar of 3 feet by 3 feet. Sorry, holding a pillar of 6 feet by 12 feet. So we have 3 aside, 3 aside, 3 aside. So all 3 square for the columns. Sorry, we use pillars and that of the mats. So so far so good. This is what you do, and you can really see that we have a solid gravel land that is going to hold this particular building. So stay tuned and enjoy the rest of the video with us. Peace up on Africa. Depth we are looking at from this angle coming. Yes. Yeah, so this is what we are doing. So you can see that we have the main depth here. That's the 3 feet we are working. So you can see that we are addressing it right over here. Yes. So just enjoy this. After that, then I'll get to the review how depth we got. Okay. So stay tuned. It's very big project here, but you're making sure you do justice to it. It's a very big. Here's a living area here. So the living area starts from here to this. A very big living area. Okay. So you can see that that's the bedrooms right over here. One big bedroom down here, another bedroom down here, and a small bedroom here. So you get a TV room at this angle. Yeah, that's your TV room over there. You have your electrical room here, a storeroom, a big kitchen that got a storage over there. And you have this big space as your laundry space. Yes. So I think you're getting everything in order, step by step. Yes, sir. Yeah, I just want to get the depth in the dressing. We are getting more. Okay. Yes. So it's really going up. It's really going down. Yeah, we are getting the level step by step here.